In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your BeReal account. This should work for both Android and iOS, and let's get started by opening the BeReal app first of all, and then we're gonna have to click in the top right corner on our account, and then again in the top right corner on the three dots, like so, and then we'll have to scroll down and find the option where it says Contact Us, and click on that. And then here you can see the option delete my account, so click on there, and then it'll tell you that once you complete this form it will be deleted in 15 days, and this is permanent, so keep that in mind. But if you change your mind within those 15 days, you can still get your account back by just logging in again, and the deletion will be cancelled. Okay, so then it asks you for a reason. You don't have to fill this out, I don't think. But I'm just going to click on other and then click on yes, I'm sure, and that will then delete my account. And then here it'll tell you when it will be deleted, and then you will be logged out after 10 seconds. I hope this was helpful. If that's the case, please give this video a like and comment down below if it worked. I'll see you again next time. Bye!